Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we are going to do exercise 2.2 in inverse trigonometric functions. First problem, prove that 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube where x belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now we will take x equal to sin theta. Why are we taking x equal to sin theta? Let us see. Here x belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So now x lies between minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now we are taking x equal to sin theta. So minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to sin theta less than or equal to 1 by 2. Sin will become sin inverse. So sin inverse minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to sin inverse 1 by 2. We know that sin inverse minus theta is minus sin inverse theta. So minus sin inverse 1 by 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. And we know the value of this one. So minus pi by 6 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 6. So theta belongs to square bracket minus pi by 6 to pi by 6. That belongs to the principal branch of sin inverse function. This is for your understanding. We don't want to write this while writing the proof. So now let us come to the point. Here x equal to sin theta. So theta is equal to sin inverse x. Take RHS, substitute x value. Sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is nothing but the formula for sin 3 theta. So sin 3 theta. Sin inverse sin 3 theta will become 3 theta. And already we have seen theta equal to sin inverse x. So this is equal to 3 sin inverse x equal to LHS. This is the required proof. Now we'll see second one. Prove that 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x where x belongs to 1 by 2 comma 1. As we discussed earlier, same thing. Let x equal to cos theta. Here you can take either sin or cos, but cos is the convenient here because 4 cos cube minus 3 cos is the formula for cos 3 theta. That is why we are taking here x equal to cos theta, theta equal to cos inverse x. Now take RHS, substitute x value, 4 cos cube minus 3 cos theta. This is the formula for cos 3 theta. Then cos inverse of cos 3 theta will become 3 theta. Theta is cos inverse x. So equal to 3 cos inverse x. That is the required LHS. Hence the proof is over. Now we will see next problem. Third problem. Prove that tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. Now we will take LHS. Before that we will recall the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now we are going to apply this formula here. Consider this as x and this as y. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Do the simplifications. Finally you will be getting tan inverse 1 by 2 equal to RHS. We will see the next problem. Fourth problem. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse 31 by 70. We don't have the formula for 2 tan inverse plus tan inverse. So we know the formula for 2 tan inverse x. There are 3 formulae. 2 tan inverse in terms of sin inverse, 2 tan inverse in terms of cos inverse, 2 tan inverse in terms of tan inverse. So out of these 3 we are going to select the third one because if you convert 2 tan inverse as tan inverse, then only we can able to apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula here. So now we will take third formula for 2 tan inverse 1 by 2. Tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, that is the formula. Take x as 1 by 2, substitute here, plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now simplify this, you will be getting tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 as it is. Now this is of the form tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. The formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. So tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Do the simplifications. You will be getting tan inverse 31 by 17. That is nothing but RHS. The proof is over. Now we will see next problem. Now we will see next set of questions. Write the following functions in the simplest form. Question number 5. Tan inverse root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x Now we are going to simplify this expression. Now we will take x equal to tan theta, because 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. Automatically we can able to remove the square root. So that is why we are taking x equal to tan theta. So then theta will become tan inverse x. Now take this expression, root of 1 plus x square is equal to 1 plus tan square equal to secant theta. So now secant theta minus 1 by tan theta, take this expressions alone, root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Now substitute the value, secant theta minus 1, x equal to tan theta, so tan theta. Secant is nothing but 1 by cos, 1 minus 1, tan is sin by cos. Now LCM is cos theta, so 1 minus cos theta, then cos and cos will get cancelled. So the remaining is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Now apply the identity. We know the formula for 1 minus cos theta, that is nothing but 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now cancel the common term. Then finally we will be getting sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 equal to tan theta by 2. So we simplified this expression. So we got tan theta by 2. So tan inverse of this expression is equal to tan inverse tan theta by 2. So tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. The remaining is theta by 2. Already we know theta is nothing but tan inverse x. So the answer is 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Now we will see the next problem. Now question number 6. Simplify this one, tan inverse 1 by root of x square minus 1. Now we will take x equal to cosecant theta. So 1 by root of x square minus 1 is equal to 1 by root of cosecant square theta minus 1. We know that cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot theta. So cot square theta, square root of cot square theta is cot theta. 1 by cot equal to tan theta. So tan inverse of that expression is equal to tan inverse of tan theta. So tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. So answer is theta. Theta is nothing but cosecant inverse x. So equal to cosecant inverse x. So this is the simplified form of the given problem. Now we will see question number 8. 7th problem, try on your own. 8th problem is tan inverse cos minus sine by cos plus sine, and the range of x is 0 less than x less than pi. Now take cos common in both numerator and the denominator. 1 minus sine by cos is tan. Cos if you take cos common, then you will be getting 1 plus sine by cos again tan. So cos and cos will get cancelled. So remaining is tan inverse 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So instead of 1, we can able to write tan pi by 4. We know the value of tan 45 degree. Tan 45 equal to 1. So instead of that, I am writing tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus 1 into tan x. So 1 into tan x, instead of 1, I am writing tan pi by 4 into tan x. So this is of the form tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. So this is the formula for tan of a minus b x minus y. So tan inverse pi by 4 minus x. So tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. The answer is pi by 4 minus x. Now we will see the 9th question. Question number 9. Tan inverse x by root of a square minus x square and modulus x less than a. Now we are going to take x as a sin theta. So then theta equal to x by a sin inverse. So sin inverse x by a. Now take this expressions alone, x by root of a square minus x square. So equal to, substitute x value, a sin theta by root of a square minus a square sin square theta. Take a square common, you will be getting 1 minus sin square. We know the formula for 1 minus sin square is cos theta, cos square theta. So a cos theta. So cancel a and a. So sin by cos is tan. So tan inverse, that expression is equal to tan inverse tan theta. Then cancel tan and tan inverse. Then you will be getting theta. Theta is nothing but sin inverse x by a. So this is the simplest form of this expression. Now we will see question number 10. Tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3ax square, and the range of x is given here. Now take x equal to a tan theta, theta equal to tan inverse x by a. Now take that expressions alone. 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3a x square. Now substitute x equal to a tan theta. Then you will be getting 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta by a cube minus 3a cube tan square theta. Now take the common things out. So a cube, numerator a cube, if you take a cube out, you will be getting 3 tan minus tan cube. Denominator, if you take a cube, you will be getting 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So now cancel a cube and a cube. The remaining is 3 tan minus tan cube by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is nothing but tan 3 theta formula. So answer of this expression is tan 3 theta. Now take the entire thing. Tan inverse this expression is equal to tan inverse tan 3 theta. Then cancel tan inverse and tan. You will be getting 3 theta. 3 tan inverse x by a. So this is the required simplest form. The selection of x is your choice, that is based on the questions. We will see the next set of questions in the next video. Thank you.